Finding your love and it feels so right, but something is missing, like the words are slipping from the tip of my tongue, like a song that has yet to be sung. And I'm just a child in this cold dark light. Anxiety's real and sometimes I feel like there's nothing to feel. There's only these words that can heal. So try again. Don't be worried of the consequence. This love is only meant to be a good, good friend to you. I counted the ways that she kept me awake, the laughter we shared that passed like lights along the interstate, that guided my way back home. She dreams of angels while I dream of rain. She sees the future while I see nothing but her words on page, faces that I've never seen. So try again. Don't be worried of the consequence. This love is only meant to be a good, good friend. You gotta try again. Worried of the consequence. This love is only meant to be a good, good friend to you. To you. And I don't know what the future may hold, but I surely know